Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. Okay, and if you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I analyzed this chart in the morning, and as you can see, this is still selling even as we speak. Okay, because I told you that this is on downtrend already. Okay, this is GainX 1200. Sorry for not telling you the name of the asset I'm analyzing. Okay, and of course, guys, I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator to do my analysis. So it started a downtrend right from here after giving us a trend signal and of course some sell signals, and it has been selling since then. Okay, that's so amazing. So this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, guys. It is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now, the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and just the way we are seeing this actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, and it has been selling since then. So till it got to this support zone, had a pullback, and of course, it's trying to try out it will be trying out the support zone again. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on uptrend. But for now, it is still selling until it is unable to break out below the support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200, and this had been on downtrend for a very long time, breaking out from this support zone. It also broke out from here, and of course, that's gotten to a new support zone. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back on buy trend. However, that's giving us an uptrend signal and of course a buy signal. So we expect it to buy, but if it breaks out below this support zone, this particular support zone, okay, definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we expect buying opportunity right from there, except if it breaks out below the support zone, that is when it's going to sell more. Okay, so next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, and of course this actually sold till it got to this support zone, and of course it's bought for a while till it got to this resistance zone but didn't go too far. And of course right from there, since it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, it started a downtrend and it sold till it got to this particular support region. You can see it also respected it around there and also around there. Okay, so right from there it picked up to pull back again, so it is buying at the moment. And of course, if it breaks out above this, it will get to this region, and if it breaks out from here, it should get to this particular spot. But if it does not, it will go back and try out this support region. But for now, it is still buying. So the last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. This had been on uptrend for a while. And of course, it got to this resistance zone, wasn't able to break out from there. So it started a downtrend. You can see the downtrend signal and the red arrow, which signify a sell, and it has been selling since then. So this is going to be giving us more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every aspect of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.